Okay, so what I wanted to show you today was how to use these new simple templates. So in each set of templates, you're going to get 3 different sizes. So this is our lined pages here in the 8.5 and 11. And inside each of this, you're going to get a dotted line, a set of 3, and the solid lines. Now, if we just go back here, you're also going to get the same in the 6x9 size and then the 8x10 size. Okay, so I've opened up one of the templates here with the solid lines. I've put in a little box in the beginning, some instructions here so you know how to use the templates, and always make sure that you save a new copy so you've always got the originals to go back to. And then as you'll see all these lines on here, now these are the guidelines. This is the easiest way I found to do the margins. So I've created the margins for you. So basically you just have to keep all your content within these lines in here, and then you're going to be good wherever you decide to publish your book. Okay, so I'll just give you an overview of how to use them. So these are just the solid lines in here. Okay, and I've created it as a table, as you can see when we highlight it. So if you wanted to change anything, you can do so by here, but as you'll see, everything is inside these lines. Okay, and then so you're going to get the 2 different styles. This one here, and then the next one here is a little bigger of a line. Now, if you wanted to make this larger, all you would do is just come down to the bottom, and I would just delete a row. Okay, let's delete 2 rows. And then all you're just going to do is pull this back down to this line, and then all these lines automatically get a little wider. So you can change the width as any way that you like. And remember, and then if you want to pull it back up to the here, you can. Okay, so basically you're just going to go in, set the pages the way you want them, if you want narrow or larger lines. And then once you're ready to create your journal, you're simply just going to right click and duplicate the slide. So you can do it that way. There's also another way that we can do it, especially if you want to create a much bigger book. So you go from view into slide sorter, and then you're going to have these are the first 3 pages that we did. So if you want to click on one and then go with your control key, click all 3, then right click and then just duplicate, and it's going to duplicate all 3. You can do it again, or you can just do each page individually. Okay, now once you've finished with the number of pages, go back to the normal view. Now what we have to do here is, if you want to, you can remove the guidelines. When you print this, they won't show, but if you just rather be safe than sorry, the way to do that is make sure in the view tab up here, and then you'll see that the guides here are checkmarked, turn them out, and then your page is all gone. But this is useful if you wanted to add now a little image on here. You can line it up with the outsides, and if you have something really small to line up, you can add the grid lines in here. Now you've got lots of little squares in here, but you could easily just line something up more precisely if you needed to by using the grid lines. And again, once you're done, just take everything off, make sure everything looks good, and then you're going to go and file, save your work, and then you are ready to turn it into the PDF and get it published. Okay, thank you.